you roll a six-sided dice, probability of getting 1. Okay, if you roll a six-sided dice, there is six different numbers that can come. So your 1 will have only 1 in 6 chances. If you want to remember what is probability, get this tattooed on your hand. Okay, remember it like that. If you roll a simple six-sided dice, what is the probability of getting 6? That's a 1 in 6 chance. What is the probability of getting 5? That will be a 1 in 6 chance. What is the probability of getting 1? That will be 1 in 6 chance. So 1 by 6, what are we doing? 1 is the favorable outcome that we want. Probability of getting 5. Okay, there is 6 numbers out of which only one number we want. The favorable is 1. Okay, what is the 6 in the denominator? Why are we saying 1 in 6 chance? The 6 in the denominator is total different outcomes that are possible. Remember this to remember the basic fundamental definition. This is the best possible definition of probability that nobody ever mentions. Probability is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Remember this example of dice. Anytime you have confusion about probability, and you will be good. Okay, the answer for this question is 1 by 6. Option A is your answer.